In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix a lens error message on your Nikon COOLPIX camera. When you see this specific warning on your LCD display, it typically indicates a problem with the camera lens mechanism. I'm starting here on the official support page to walk you through the manufacturer's recommended steps. The first thing you should check for is a physical obstruction. If the camera was switched on while the lens unit was prevented from extending, it might struggle for a moment before reporting the error. Carefully inspect the lens area for any debris or objects that shouldn't be there. Once you have cleared the area, try simply turning the camera off and then back on again. Often a quick power cycle is enough to reset the mechanism and correct the problem. If that does not work, the next step is to remove the battery entirely. Take it out, give it a full recharge, and then reinsert it to test the camera again. This ensures the lens motor is receiving adequate power to move. Keep in mind that Nikon specifies there are no user-serviceable parts inside these cameras. If these basic steps do not resolve the issue, the camera will likely need to be sent to a Nikon service department for a professional repair. You can find the links for scheduling factory maintenance or a repair directly on their support site. I hope these quick tips helped you get your camera back in working order without a trip to the shop. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions about your COOLPIX.